Stuck with GTA Vice City modded game freezing every time you try to start a new game? You're not alone, and we're fixing your GTA Vice City modded game freeze right now. First, ensure your core game files are intact. Corruption often causes loading errors. Open your game launcher, find GTA Vice City, and verify the integrity of its files. This scans for and replaces any damaged data. If verifying doesn't resolve the new game freeze, it often points to system-level conflicts, leading us to our next crucial step. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit for game instability. Head to Device Manager, locate your display adapters, and update your graphics card drivers. This ensures your system can properly render the game, preventing freezes. If your drivers are current and the issue persists, sometimes older games need specific environment settings to run smoothly. Many classic titles like GTA Vice City benefit from compatibility mode. Find your game executable, go to its properties, and set it to run in an older Windows compatibility mode like XP Service Pack 3. This tricks the game into thinking it's running on a familiar system, often resolving stubborn freezes. However, if the base game runs fine but mods cause issues, the problem is likely with the modifications themselves. Finally, conflicting or poorly installed mods are notorious for new game freezes. Back up your mod folder, then temporarily remove all mods. Test the game. If it loads, reintroduce your mods one by one to pinpoint the exact culprit. Once identified, remove or update that specific mod to fully fix your modded game new game freeze.